we interrupt your local daily time. An emergency alert system has been issued. Please stand by. An emergency alert system has been issued. At around midnight, there has been reports of an unidentified creature roaming around, killing any victims that is in its path. This suspect has been shown to have no mercy on anyone. This creature cannot be described as of this time. Please do the following instructions for your safety. Close all doors and windows, cover any holes in your house, do not answer to anyone under any circumstances. If you see this creature near you, go into a safe place and contact 911 immediately. This emergency alert system is being issued by local authorities. The creature that has been attacking people violently is now confirmed to be Sonic EXE. He is an horror Sonic character, with bloody hands, bloody eyes, sharp teeth, and has a demonic voice. If you happen to see this creature, go into a safe place and contact 911. If any family members go missing, please remain in your shelter as it is dangerous to investigate. A shelter in place is recommended for all civilians. This is not a test. At around 9 p.m., Sonic EXE has been seen killing its victims brutally with no chance to escape. Anyone who has been caught by this creature is most likely to be dead. This is a very dangerous crisis we are dealing with. There have been reports of young children being very frightened which lead to commit suicide. If you have any children, keep them near you at all costs and stay with at all times. Military have attempted to attack this creature but failed. We do not know what to do as of this time, but we will come up with a solution. If you follow the following instructions, your chances of survival will increase. To do so, you